Ready to connect your brand with your customers like never before by creating a thriving WhatsApp community? First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Groups or Community section, usually found in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Next, find and click the Create New Group button. It's typically bright and easy to spot. Now, fill in the group details, choose a relevant name that reflects your community's purpose, write a clear and engaging description outlining the group's focus, and upload an eye-catching icon that represents your brand or community. Customize your group settings, determine who can post messages, everyone or only admins, and configure other permissions to maintain a positive and productive environment. Consider adding admins to help moderate the group and keep the discussions flowing. Start adding participants. You can manually enter phone numbers or select contacts from your existing Aisensy contact list. Be sure to obtain consent before adding anyone to the group to comply with privacy regulations. Congratulations! Your WhatsApp community group is now live. Post a welcome message to introduce the group and encourage initial engagement. Use Aisensy's group management tools to monitor activity, segment your audience, and even send automated messages to keep your community engaged and informed. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp community group with Aisensy. Start fostering connections and building a loyal customer base today.